Is HR really a good career? Can freshers build a successful future in human resources? If you've ever wondered whether HR is the right career choice, this video will help you understand everything you need to know. Today, thousands of freshers, career switchers, and professionals restarting their careers are exploring opportunities in HR. But what makes this field so attractive compared to other career options? Human Resources, or HR, is the department responsible for managing people within an organization. From hiring employees to helping them grow and succeed, HR plays a critical role in every business. HR manages the complete employee journey. This journey starts when a candidate applies for a job and continues through onboarding, training, performance management, career growth, and even exit processes. HR responsibilities include recruitment, candidate sourcing, interview coordination, onboarding, payroll management, attendance tracking, employee engagement, training and development, performance management, compensation and benefits, and employee relations. Think about any organization, a startup, school, hospital, IT company, manufacturing unit, or multinational corporation. Every company needs employees, and every company needs HR professionals to manage those employees effectively. One of the biggest advantages of HR is stability. Technology changes, industries evolve, and business trends shift, but organizations will always need people. That's why HR remains relevant across industries and economic conditions. Many people think HR only means recruitment. While hiring is important, it's just one part of HR. The field offers many different specializations and career opportunities beyond recruiting. HR offers multiple career options including recruiter, talent acquisition specialist, HR executive, HR generalist, learning and development professional, employee engagement specialist, HR business partner, HR manager, and HR consultant. One of the best things about HR is flexibility. Some professionals enjoy recruitment, while others prefer training, employee engagement, analytics, or strategic HR roles. HR allows you to choose a path that suits your interests. HR professionals develop highly valuable skills such as communication, negotiation, relationship building, conflict resolution, leadership, time management, and problem solving. The skills developed in HR are useful not only professionally but personally as well. Better communication, emotional intelligence, and relationship management can improve every aspect of your life. HR professionals regularly interact with candidates, employees, managers, directors, and business owners. Over time, this helps build a strong professional network that can create future opportunities. HR teams often work closely with department heads, senior managers, directors, and CEOs. This exposure helps professionals understand leadership, decision-making, and business strategy much earlier in their careers. Because HR works across departments, HR professionals gain a broader understanding of how organizations function. This business knowledge becomes extremely valuable as careers progress. One reason many professionals enjoy HR is the variety. One day you might conduct interviews, another day organize employee engagement activities, and another day support leadership decisions or training initiatives. When you combine stability, career growth, networking opportunities, leadership exposure, skill development, and multiple specialization options, it's easy to see why HR is considered one of the most rewarding career paths today. So yes, HR can be an excellent career choice for freshers, career switchers, and career restarters. But what about salary growth? Which HR specializations have the brightest future? And how can you grow from an HR executive to an HR director or CHRO? We'll answer those questions in the next video. For a complete HR career roadmap, visit the Jobs India blog. And let us know in the comments, would you choose HR as a career, and why?